Nursery cartoon love journey with Hoorah.
Welcome everyone to the Dolphin Show Delight! Let's hear it for this incredible performance!
In the heart of a sunlit day, they gather round. Little eyes sparkling, laughter's joyful sound. A splash of blue where the dolphins glide, with trainers in tow, like friends side by side. Watch closely now, the trainer beams bright, as dolphins leap high in their jubilant flight. The children gasp wide with wonder anew. Each flip and each spin, a magical view. With glistening skin that reflects the sun's rays, they dance through the waves in an elegant maze. Their playful spirits weave tales from the sea, in this realm of enchantment, pure ecstasy. The trainer calls forth with a whistle so clear, and dolphins respond as if they can hear. Through hoops made of colors and balls tossed with cheer, they twirl and they dive, oh how joy draws near. Look at them play. One small child cries out with glee that ignites an infectious shout for each splash that sends droplets to sparkle and gleam. A moment is captured like life in a dream.
That was amazing!
From flips that defy all gravity's hold, to synchronized dances both graceful and bold. Laughter erupts as splashes abound. What magic is found when pure joy is crowned? A gentle reminder that friendship transcends, that love knows no bounds where such beauty extends. These creatures of ocean invite hearts to soar. Their spirit unchained offers peace at our core. As sunshine begins its slow descent from the sky, the children wave back with a heartfelt goodbye. Yet memories linger like shells on the shore of laughter and wonder, a yearning for more.
Wow!
So let every dolphin be cherished today. Their songs echo softly long after we stray. For in moments like these where pure innocence flows, we find hope everlasting in dolphin shows glows.
Thank you everyone for coming!
Thus cheers fill the air as families depart, with smiles painted wide across every young heart. Though days may grow longer or shadows may fall, in dreams we'll revisit the magic for
Wow,
all.
look at him go! He's amazing! That is so cool!
In a pond where the lilies sway and dance, lived a flock of ducks with dreams of romance. They quacked of adventures beyond the blue skies, but little they knew what awaited their eyes. One day as the sun draped gold on the waves, a whispering breeze spoke of mysterious caves. With hearts full of wonder, they took to the dive and plunged into depths where enchantment survived. Through corals that shimmered like jewels in the night, they glided through currents with pure sheer delight. And neon mornings waved as if welcoming guests. The ocean was teeming with wonders and quests, but lurking behind in shadows so deep, a shadowy figure began to creep. It was Finnegan Fish with scales dark and sly. He swirled round them swiftly, a flash 'neath the sky. Why wander so far from your quaint little pond? There's peril below, it's a world you abscond. Yet courage ignited within every heart. Our joy is our armor, we'll never depart. They played with the dolphins who danced in delight, and raced through school shimmering silver so bright. Together they spun through whirlpools of cheer, for laughter echoed where once lived their fear. Then as twilight beckoned from shades above ground, the sea whispered secrets no longer unfound. With memories woven like threads made of gold, their stories would linger in hearts brave and bold. So back to their pond under stars' gentle light, with tales of adventure that shimmered so bright. For life holds its magic beneath every wave. In friendship and courage lies all that we crave.